Every one of us would know a famous brand called KFC. Some out of you might have visited the store and might have enjoyed their mouth licking the fried chicken. So today's video is on the same story of Colonel Harland Sanders. So welcome to our captivating story of Colonel Harland Sanders, the man behind the world famous Kentucky's Fried Chicken, that is KFC. In the next few minutes, we will take you on a journey through which the life of this culinary legend, from his early struggles to the creation of global fast food empire. So, without wasting any time, like, share and subscribe our channel and join us as we uncover the inspiring story of Colonel Harland Sanders and the finger-licking success of KFC. Let us dive into the extraordinary journey of the Colonel.
Audio Jungle.
So, Colonel was born in 1890 in Indiana. Colonel had a difficult upbringing, facing poverty and adversity. His passion for cooking emerged at a young age, and he honed his culinary skills through various odd jobs. This passion would later drive him to create a recipe that would become synonymous with KFC. In 1930, Colonel Sanders started serving his famous fried chicken recipe at a small service station in Kentucky. As word of his delectable chicken spread, he perfected his secret blend of 11 herbs and spices. In 1952, he officially franchised Kentucky Fried Chicken, sharing his recipe with the world. KFC experienced rapid growth, with Colonel Sanders traveling across the country to expand the franchisee. However, with success comes challenges. As the company grew, he faced difficulties in managing the quality and consistency of his product, that was chicken. Despite setbacks, Colonel Sanders never compromised on his commitment to providing delicious food. Colonel Harland Sanders' legacy lives on through KFC's global success. Today, according to the stats, KFC restaurants are found in over 140 countries, serving millions of customers worldwide. His dedication to quality, hospitality, and the pursuit of excellence continues to shape the brand's identity. Towards conclusion, Colonel Harland Sanders' journey from humble beginning to founding KFC is a testament to the power of passion, perseverance, and innovation. His finger-licking recipe and unwavering commitment to quality have left an indelible mark on the culinary world and inspired countless entrepreneurs. So, this was the story of the great man, Colonel Harland Sanders, who invented the KFC, the famous brand called Kentucky Fried Chicken. Thank you so much for joining us on this fascinating journey through the life of Colonel Harland Sanders and the story of the world-famous restaurant KFC. If you found this video inspiring, please like this video and share it with others who may appreciate the legacy of this culinary legend. And subscribe our channel. Let us continue to celebrate the spirit of entrepreneurship and embrace our passions to create lasting impact. Until next time, may your dreams be as flavorful and satisfying as Colonel Sanders' original recipe. Thank you so much.